What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I want to talk about one side hustle plus one link equals 7 passive income streams for beginner. I'm going to show you the compensation plan. I'm going to show you how this link works that you can get access to by clicking the link in the description. And then I'm going to show you the tools and resources that you're going to get access to that's going to help you on this journey when you get started today. So let's go ahead on and jump right into it right now. Okay, so here we are in this little diagram, and I'm going to do some writing for you because I really want you to understand and grasp the concept of what's really going on here, because I had someone, comment on one of my videos talking about, sounds like it's too expensive, something called a lot of upsells in it. But the thing about what he or she did not understand is that you only need one link, okay, and you earn multiple streams of income behind that link. 7 different streams of income behind that link. Now, before we get into this diagram, I want you to understand, don't pay too much close attention to, let me get my pen. Don't pay too much close attention to these numbers right here, because they're kind of off a little bit. I'm just using this as a diagram, okay, for you to get an understanding of what it is, okay, that what's going on. So here we go. Let me grab my little pen. The only thing you need to do, is concentrate on this one link right here. Okay, once you get this link, and then you concentrate on getting traffic to that link. That's all you have to do. Traffic from here to here. That's it. You don't do anything else. Everything behind this line, okay, everything here is done on the back end. Okay, now you're only investing $7, okay, $7 one time for this link right here. That's it. There's no monthly price to it. That's it, period. $7, okay, one time for your mega link. You're going to take your mega link, okay, and then you're going to make sure you get traffic or people or eyeballs on your mega link. That's it. Everything else is done behind the screen. Your mega link is going to come to this squeeze page right here, okay? The squeeze page is going to take them to an offer, another offer, and then another offer. And you actually you're helping them build their email list. Okay, let's get that straight. You're helping them build their email list, but all of this is going to be done for you on the back end as well. So in other words, you don't have to worry about building a list, but I highly recommend that you do, but they're going to do all of the emailing. They're going to send all of the emails on your behalf. As a beginner, that's probably where you want to start anyway. Okay, so also, they're going to have support here in the Facebook group, okay? So they are going to do all of the training in the Facebook group here. You don't have to worry about doing any of that, building your own groups and things like that. Plus, they're going to be offering live training as well, which is going to help you potentially get more sales, okay? Don't worry about none of this up here. None of this matters. The only thing you're focusing on is this right here. Let me erase some of this so you can get an idea. The only thing you're focusing on, and I want to do it real clearly so you get an understanding, that the only thing you're focusing on is this. Let me grab my pen again. You're just focusing on this. That's it, period. Getting traffic to your mega link. Getting traffic to your mega link. Remember, the mega link is only $7 one time. That's it. That's all you are investing, and you get to earn on the back end as well from the effort of OLSP. So now let's actually look at the compensation plan, so you'll see what type of income that's potentially could be earned if you decide to even get in and for $7 and get traffic to it. Now you got to understand, let's talk about traffic. There's free, and there's paid, okay? Or let me get that to P. Paid. You can decide whichever way that you want to go, whichever way you want to go with it. If you're able to go free, which is what Wayne recommends anyway for brand new beginners, that you start off with free traffic, okay? And so we'll talk about that in a little bit. So let's go ahead on right now and look at the actual compensation plan. So here we are on the compensation plan. Now, this is just if you have the mega link only, okay? Mega link only. You have the mega link, this is the price. It's going, you investing $7 today, okay? But for every person that comes in using your mega link, you earn $7. Okay, understand that. If they come in and get the list building training, you earn $7. Okay, here's all of the compensation you can earn. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but you're looking at one. Let me see if I can grab a pen here. You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got residual here. Residual here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and possibly, I'm not sure what that one is for the live training, okay, but you do get a link for that as well. So you're looking at 13 income streams in here, okay, behind this one link that you're going to get access to, okay, to $97 a month. 10% residual income, $97, 50% of that, okay? $297, 50% of that. So you don't have to, and here's the thing, you don't have to own the product in order to earn commissions. That's the beauty of this. You do not have to own the product in order to earn commission. Now, in order to earn more commission, then there are some products that you might want to own, okay, later on, once you get your feet wet and once you get going in the right direction. So that's the compensation plan for the actual, for the mega link right there. Those are that's the compensation plan. So it's real simple. You get to earn everything, okay, pretty much on everything. So you are earning commissions for sharing this one link right here, okay? So let's look at that. Inside of the back office, this banner is going to be up here when you pop in. You can just go up here and close it out. But what you want to do, once you get your mega link, okay, you're going to get access to these two products here, free training. You're going to get your mega link. You're going to get the Facebook 101. You're going to get the traffic fast start, and you're going to get the OLSP user guide, and maybe comment Dominator Pro, I'm not sure, but I know you're going to get those products. So when it comes to getting traffic, okay, let's just go to the mega link, access this product. It teaches you and shows you right here. Go through this video. It's going, what is the OLSP system? Grab your mega link. You're going to do that. Everything has a button here for you to go through. Get traffic. Okay, Facebook 101. And we're going to look at that. And then there's a traffic challenge fast start. Okay, that's where they're asking you or encouraging you to get started with the Facebook 101, a free method. Okay, and with the traffic challenge fast start, which is a free method as well. Okay, but they just show you different methods of getting free traffic. Another way you can get free traffic is just what I'm doing right now. YouTube video, okay, YouTube short, Instagram reels, Facebook reels, TikTok reel. This is what some of this training in here is for you to get started free, so you don't have to worry about coming out of pocket other than the $7 you invested to get started. Okay, so you're going to get that. So let's look at the Facebook 101. You're going to get introduction marketing, complete guide, the basic, adding friend, profile setup, post type, warm up, warm down, settings, and security. This is going to get you started, and it's only, I think, like 9 minutes long. Okay, only thing you have to do is follow the process and put it into action. That's it. Where people fail is they go and they purchase things, they don't do anything with what they have purchased. They don't follow the training. Okay, so let's look at let's look at the traffic challenge fast start. And this is it right here. You got a challenge day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that's going to walk you step by step on how to get more free traffic. The only thing you have to do is be willing to follow the process. If you're not willing to do that, then I don't care what. If you're not willing to do free or paid or get any traffic whatsoever, then nothing's going to work for you. That's just the way it is. So now let me show you, we're on the dashboard right now. This is where you get your your mega link. It's going to be right there. You're going to copy that mega link. And if you put that link into a browser and open it up, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get this page right here. And there's some other opt-in page that rotates through here, okay? Someone's going to enter their email, click get instant access, then they're going to be taken through some upsells. You do not have to get the upsell. I don't know why people think they have to buy the upsell. You don't have to buy anything. I mean, if you go to Walmart to get, I don't know, a shirt, but you get a shirt and pants, you just got upsold, but it was an upsell, but you upsold yourself because that's what you wanted. So, that's just the way it is. And if people try to go off the page, then boom, another one comes up, with another headline on there. So you get that. And also, if we come over here to commissions, okay, and we look at commission generator, you're going to get to promote the live events as well, where there'll be a link here with a description that you can use. Promote evergreen offers, okay, you're going to have links here that if you don't want to, if you have an email list already, then you can take this link right here and just send it to your email list without them having to opt in again. Okay, so you're able to do that. Now, when you click on one of these three links right here, I'm going to show you now and let me show you another place before I do that, where you can get traffic from. You can get traffic if you want to buy traffic right here. Buy traffic. Click here to order traffic. Plus, you get to be an affiliate for that traffic. If someone else purchases it, then you earn a commission. Click here to order traffic, and boom, there you go. So getting traffic is already paid traffic in the system and free traffic in the system for you as well. Just so you know that. Now, when you come over here to Evergreen Offers, and you click on that, you can click on one of these links right here. We're talking about the side hustle right now. The side hustle and the biz op is pretty much the same thing, okay? But they show different pages when you use one of these links here. So if I'm looking right now at the side hustle, and here it is here. This is the video pretty much explaining the page. But what I want to show you is, who is it for? It's for beginners. Newbie affiliate marketer, virgin leads, all of that right there. What are the selling points? Not very technical. You get this information to put into your marketing for you to use. Emails, day 1, okay? Email right there. Email right there. You can send 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, or put them into your autoresponder and let them go out as a sequence, or you can use them as a broadcast email. Day 1, you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 emails that to your disposal. Well, Richard, okay, I got the emails now. What about Facebook posts? I don't know what to put on Facebook. Don't worry, we got you covered, because right here, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 posts that you can use to put on your Facebook profile. Okay, just like that right there. And you just copy, paste, maybe reword it if you want to. All of that is right there for you. So there's no stone left unturned. Okay, no excuses as what I'm going to put on Facebook. Boom, it's right there. What am I going to email? They're right here. All of that is there for you. Banners. If you want to get access to banners, they have some banners for you. So the only thing you have to do on your dashboard is click this copy button right here. Okay, successfully copy. Send that link, whether it's on your, when someone requested on Facebook, send them the link. If you're going to do solo ads or paid traffic, use that link. Okay, because it's going to give you a capture page. That's it. Just remember, and I want you to really grasp this, and I want you to understand it. Everything behind this line, okay, everything behind this line is done for you. Done for you. You don't have to do any of this. OLSP system takes care of all that. Your only job, okay? Your only job is to get your link and get people to your link. That's it. When you're ready to start building your own email list, there's another link that I'll talk about later on in another video that's going to, to get you going. But right now, the only thing you have to do, get this link, okay, and get traffic to that link on daily basis, consistent basis, and let the OLSP system, let Wayne do everything else for you. That's it, period. Now, if you're a beginner and you can't get a link, or you're not willing to get a link, then I'm just, once again, I can't do anything for you. Nobody can do anything for you, but only $7 to get started. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do. Get started for $7 one time, and you are good to go. So I hope you got value out of this video. I want you to like the video, give me a thumbs up on the video, leave me a comment below. Okay, if you have any questions, my contact information will be down in the description as well. Like I said, leave me a comment and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.